friends, I want to show you this bag today. See it. It's gray, and the strap and this part are brown, and all the zippers and these parts are golden. The material is so strong and it's like water resistant. This strap can adjust the size, so if you adjust this, you can use it here like a short strap, short back, or you can make it more longer and use it like a crossbody bag, or use here. Have so many ways to use it. I like to use it the short strap. It's resistant, and as you can see, have this zipper in the back, so you can put here some coins, cash, your cell phone, and that is close of your body, so it's secure. When you open it, you have this other zipper right here for the things that you need to take quickly. And inside of the bag, they have this zipper, and as you can see, have this big compartment with some space here for cell phone or pen or something like that, this big, and with this little bag in the middle with a zipper too for your makeup or something like that, and the other compartment that are more smaller than the other and have other zipper back here. So as you can see, have so much space, but the size is perfect, and you can use it with your favorite outfit. It's beautiful, it's practice, and resistance. I highly recommend this bag. See you.